Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version so you avoid incompatible steps. Once backed up, enable developer options or install a trusted customization utility. Next, locate the dynamic island region and list active processes tied to it. This tells you what to isolate. You'll remove overlapping listeners first. Make targeted changes to layout params instead of global themes. Take incremental snapshots as you change values, so you can revert quickly if something behaves unexpectedly. Once done with initial checks, detach the dynamic island visual layer from the system UI compositor so it can be treated independently. Redirect notification intents to a separate service or channel so incoming events no longer reattach to the original element. Then, fine-tune Z-order, margins, and hitbox values to avoid touch conflicts. Small pixel offsets often fix accidental taps. Use live reload or ADB commands to test changes immediately and monitor logs for resource leaks or unintended callbacks. To finish, validate animations and responsiveness across orientations and ensure CPU and battery usage remain acceptable. Performance regressions mean you need to simplify the separation. Make sure accessibility services still expose the separate element. If not, reapply semantic labels and focus order. If things go wrong, revert to your most recent snapshot immediately and inspect system logs for permission denials or crashed services. Then iterate. Fix the specific failing hook, retest, and keep changes minimal to maintain system stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.